Go, Corey, go, 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 Corey, go, 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 go. Listen up, here we go. I'm the new kid.
How many goes was that?
Bye-bye, Roadhog.
Dang, dude, I'm doing pretty good as Trace.
Got her. I'm the best Sombra.
Suicide!
Once you see it, you won't believe it.
No! Who am I gonna be?
Just look at me, man.
Yay, May!
Look at me, dude. Look at my amazing skin.
I saw it. It's oh,
It's
that is
beautiful.
cancer. No, no.
Yes. I got her Venom 9.
Oh
Don't worry,
boy,
guys.
might as well have finished her off at that point. No! I knew it was a trap.
Great scatter. Got her. That was all me. Good thing my hands are
Oh yeah, you're still alive.
And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows?
Luch almost got himself killed. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Get him, nice. Get the turret.
Get the turret. That's one. Oh, I
That's
missed another
not
one.
two.
No.
Look at me, I did everything.
That's
Chev,
me.
Chevado. Chevado. Chevado.
Yes. See, look at all these kills I got here. Look at all of them. I'm just amazing, dude. Wow, dude, I'm so good. Which one of my mains should I be? Sombra or Roadhog?
Winston.
Of course.
I'll be my main with over 50,000 hours on a.
Of course.
Oh, you got a problem with that?
Get me your...
8
I
on
have
Reaper.
3 minutes on Zarya. It's my least played character.
I have 20 minutes on Zarya. I'll play her
Why?
the most. I love her.
Look at me. It's like I'm truly invisible. Teleporting away. Haha, you got pranked. Do we even have a healer? No, I don't think so.
It's me, dude. What are you talking about? No, no, no! Yeah, yeah!
I'll wipe out their whole team, guys. Don't worry.
No way you're still alive. Okay, there
Here,
you go.
guys. Why'd you guys all die in me? Oh, I understand. I have to go Roadhog. No, you. I understand now. Dude, think about it.
Got his turret. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh dang.
How did he kill me so fast? I only
Genji?
shot him like
Genji.
once.
Leave the game now. This is
Yes,
so much
please.
cancer.
I literally.
Wow, I just go on our thing. And it's just, we should play I'm on you stupid little fuck you. She. That's pretty beautiful. I don't need glasses for Overwatch. What am I doing?
I don't need
I was
Overwatch
about
for
to be
glasses.
May.
Well, I always have to be my main now.
It's all
I'm
Ana now.
gonna win because I'm Animator.
We're all Anas
Yeah.
now.
I've just got the Wasteland skin, so obviously I'm an Animator right now.
We're all Anas now.
I'm your grandma, dude. I'm gonna learn how to become an Animate, okay? This is happening.
Oh balls.
You guys use that at spawn!
Oh, Ada just got me. The best
Dude, I'm the
character
best
of the
Ana, though.
entire game just killed me. Cheered me up, man.
Pakistan McDonald's.
Ooh.
No, I'm not gonna be able to play my main anymore.
I think Widowmaker's gonna win the game for us. I don't know why, but I feel like she's got some good potential. But Mom Love 473 left the game. Geez, someone's quick to give up hope.
Please, don't move.
Oh, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive! Yes! Oh, I literally just clicked X and it put me on Winston, my favorite.
Dude, I'm a Sombra main.
I'm Winston, man. You already know who it is. Silento. Silento. I'll watch me
No, we
whip.
need a healer.
Watch
a
me
healer.
nay. It's okay, guys.
No, we don't have a
Let me
healer.
heal you. Let me heal you. I was gonna be soldier so I can heal you. You know, my other main. with 3,000 hours. Bye bye Anna. Bye bye Anna. No more Hanzo. Dude, I was just destined to be a Pharah main. Gosh dang it. You got her. Hacker, hacker! Oh! I have hope. Just means I get to be my favorite character again. B-I-N-G-O. We go bingo!
Cool.
That's my favorite song from Jacob Sartorius.
Bingo was for Nemo.
No, he has an actual song named Bingo. I'm not just
Bingo.
singing Bingo because it's my favorite song. Even though it is.
It's confirmed, dude. I'm a Winston man. Look, wow. Look, it's Spaceman. Do we even have a healer? Of course not.
It's me. Do you not see me right here? Dude, I'll give you all the heals.
No.
Talk about that. I'll give you so many heals you can't even breathe. Boy.
Winston man. Shoot. Oh, we actually lost.
What do you mean?
Yeah, what do I mean? How come I didn't get my loot box wrong?
Because you suck!
Oh gosh, God, man. But will Cucumber Sam ever find his long-lost relative? Overwatch considers increasing Roadhog's tankiness. That's the name of one article. His tankiness.
I mean, I would say more stankiness.
Yeah. Where are you, man? No. I'm still alive. Please.
Critical, man.
Please.
I'm sorry, but I can't fly to a dead person. Oh wait, I can.
You. We're gonna lose now. Oh, thank goodness, man. Now we attack.
But we also protect. Wow, I love my life.
There's no way he killed me that fast.
Yeah.
This is all your fault, Yoler.
You're right. 150 gold.
I'm the new kid, moving in, getting it done, and I'm officially the candidate for having some fun, you know? You better call, yeah. I'm talking about a whole lot more. Listen up, here we go. I'm the new kid, moving in, getting it done, and I'm officially the candidate for having some fun, you know? You better call, yeah. I'm talking about a whole lot more, and we're getting it started. Mr. President, you know something?
My favorite show, dude.
Corey, shut up!
Oh no.
I can't heal a dead person. No! Oh, I almost died, but I didn't. You know when that happens? You know those?
All the time, man.
Heroes never die.
Nice red.
There's no way he got me from there!
Here we go! Brum, 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 brum.
I can't find just the image of the lyrics, dude. I just have to know, because Corn in the House is my favorite show of all time. Well, thank God we have Winston now, dude.
Thank God.
We got it. All because he switched off of Mercy. Right, this is it, dude. Woo! Yeah, what's up? Go Corey, go Corey, go. Listen up, here we go. I'm the new kid.
How many goes was that?
Like so many goes. I'm the new kid moving in, getting it done, and I'm officially the candidate for having some fun, you know. Yeah, oh wait.
Yeah, is that the lyric?
It just said mumbles. That was the only thing, no. Then there's some blood. Calm down, Corey. Yeah. I'm talking about all out party and we're getting started. Mr. President, you mind some electric guitar? I'll
It's
sing the whole
necessary.
thing once we're done with this game.
Oh, thank goodness.
You better calm down, Carly.
I'm the new kid. Move.
I'm the new kid moving in, getting it done, and obviously the candidate for having some fun. You better calm down, Carly.
You better come, crazy.
Mr. President, you mind playing some electric guitar?
What? Moisture in the guitar?
You better calm down, Carly.
My body did a whole bunch of flips. We win.
Alright, dude, now you get to hear the full.
Cutting out a little bit, but I think I know what you're saying. Corey
Right,
is
here we go,
best.
Corey now.
Okay, go.
Yes, here we go. I'm gonna
Go.
sing you the whole theme now.
Drop your
Back from the
bars.
start.
Drop them.
Right, here we go.
Oh, yeah, what's up? Go Corey, go Corey, go. Listen up, here we go. I'm the new kid moving and getting it done, and especially the candidate playing some fun, you know. You better calm down, Corey. I'm talking about an all-out party, and we're getting it started. Mr. President, you mind some electric guitar? Yes, it is.
You like the picture I sent you?